Hello everyone. Now we will start with our practical questions based on an array. So here we have been given an array and we have been told to remove duplicates from an array. So in JavaScript we have concept of set, and set is used to remove duplicates from an array, or set is used to have unique elements inside it. So we can use set to remove duplicates. So what we will do, we will write let numbers without duplicates, and then we will pass these elements to the new set and we will get an output without duplicate elements. Let's see in our VS Code. So we have const ARR is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 5, then 2, then 6 and then again 1. Okay, now here 1 and 2 is duplicating. We want to remove that. So I will write const nums without duplicate is equal to new set. I will pass my array to the set. I will console.log. I will write here nums without duplicate. Let's see what is happening in the browser. Yes, now the duplicate elements are removed. It is the set of unique elements only, but we want an array as an output, not something like this. So what we will do? We will put this particular new set inside an array with spread operator. So dot dot dot. Now that set is again converted to an array and we got our desired output. So in this way we can remove duplicates from an array with inbuilt function. Suppose you have been told to remove duplicates without using inbuilt function, then what you will do? That we will see now. We will create another array, for example nums without duplicate is equal to blank. Okay, now what we will do, we will run for loop. Let I is equal to 0, I should be lesser than arr dot length, then I will write I plus plus. Okay, now what I will do, I will check whether this particular element at 0th index is this particular element is again existing or not. So what I can do for that, I will again have to run the for loop inside, and then I will see that, for example I will see like this. Let j is equal to for j should be I plus 1. Okay, j should be lesser than arr dot length like this, and then j plus plus. Okay, if arr of I is double equal to arr of j for any of the element, okay, then what we will do, we will break this particular condition. We will break. Else what we will do, we need to set a flag also. Let flag is equal to false. Okay, if it is here we will set flag will become true now. Okay, if it is matching with any of the thing, we will say flag is true. And now after this we will check if flag, if it is true. Okay, if it is false, that means we will need to put like this. Okay, if it is false, then what we need to do, we need to push that particular element arr of I, we need to push inside nums without duplicate. So we will write something like this, dot push we will do, and then we will pass something like this. Then if I will console.log nums without duplicate, okay, then we will be able to see the unique records there. See, 35261, like this it is printed. That is very correct. But here we are running two for loop. What we are doing? from first for loop we are taking one of the element. For example, suppose we get the index at 0th index we get the 1. Now we will see after this particular 0th index we will compare it with index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is matching with any of the index we are returning, we are saying flag is true and break the things. And if it is true then surely we will not push it into inside the our unique elements array. So that way, although we are able to achieve the desired output, here we are running two for loops, which is not an optimized solution. And interviewer will surely ask you that please optimize this particular solution. So what you can do? So for now, I will erase this particular thing. Okay. Now, as we know, in the concept of array, we have seen that in an object, keys are always unique. Key cannot duplicate in an object. So we will make use of object now. We will write let obj is equal to empty for now. Now I will traverse through each and every array element only once. I should be lesser than arr dot length. Then I will push I plus plus. Okay. Now what I will do? I will write like obj, then here inside that. Here I will write the key. What key I want? This particular array element. So I will write arr of that particular index. That means arr of 0. Okay. Then I will assign it some value like y or something, anything. Okay. After this, if I will try to print this particular object, I need to use as my values are stored inside the key. The key is having my value. So I will print like console.log. I will print like object.keys. Okay, sorry, it should be object.keys. Dot keys, and then I will pass the name of the object obj. Let's see. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now also the answer is coming same. But this is the optimized solution as we are running only one for loop here. So many of you may ask me, but the inbuilt method was the grep. We were not using any for loop, but internally set was using the for loop. So this and that solution is approximately the same. So yes. So by this 3 means we can solve this particular question, and this is the most optimized way to do. Okay. Now in our next video tutorial we will see many more questions based on the array practicals. So stay tuned for the next video tutorial. Thank you for now.